Hello guys, welcome to your lesson 1, section 2, career moves. Okay, so in this lesson we're going to be talking about unusual careers, and we're going to be using gerund, gerund phrases to talk about unusual careers once again. Okay, so first here, this one. So do you think being a flight attendant sounds interesting? So we can actually ask a question even though these are just phrases, right? So being a flight attendant sounds interesting. Now my question is, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think? And you can repeat the question. Do you think being a flight attendant sounds interesting? I don't know. What about designing clothes? If you ask me, if you ask me, I think designing clothes is not a man's job, man. It is a chicos mandarina's job. So I don't know. What's your opinion about this? Okay. So designing clothes, once again, this is the gerund phrase. Designing clothes is not a man's job. Okay. So we can all ask a question once again. Do you think designing clothes is a man's job? What's your opinion about it, right? So do you think designing clothes is a men's job? I don't know. Here, men's job. Okay, so on and so forth. How about, do you think it would be challenging to direct a TV show, or directing a TV show would be challenging? What do you think? So on and so forth. So this is your gerund phrase. Designing clothes, directing TV. Okay. So here we have the unusual careers, because it usually takes a long time to finish these careers. So dentist, engineer, computer systems analyst, physician assistant, and psychiatrist, psiquiatra, ¿no? Psychiatrist, physician, asistente cirujano o de cirujano, and computer systems analyst, okay, analista en sistemas, and ingeniero, engineer, and dentist, okay. So do you think being a dentist is interesting? Kind of, going, having people, go to your office and kind of open their mouth right there, and you check it. I don't know. I don't think it would be nice. So being a dentist, I don't think is interesting at all. So I can write it down. So I don't think being a dentist is an interesting job. Interesting job. Okay. So I don't think being a dentist is an interesting job. So you, once again, you see, you can use what? Gerund phrases. Okay. Engineering is interesting, I think, but I don't know. Computer systems analyst, physician assistant. Okay. And what about a psychiatrist, man? So dealing with crazy people or sick people, right? Sick people is not interesting at all, if you ask me. You know what I'm saying? So dealing with crazy people or sick people is not interesting at all. So once again, here, this is your what? This is your gerund phrase, okay, to talk about what unusual careers. So what other unusual careers do you know? Or what other careers do you think are not interesting? How about the money? You know what I'm saying? So for example, I believe a psychiatrist makes a lot of money. You know what I'm saying? That is my perception, to be quite honest. I don't know, but so on and so forth. So what other unusual careers do you know? Sorry guys, here. Do you know? You gotta help me out right here. Do you know? What other careers do you think are not interesting, or that are challenging, or that are funny perhaps? You know what I'm saying? So, okay guys, that's it. Don't forget to do your quiz, and it's going to be plain and simple. It's going to be very, very easy. And thank you. Don't forget that if you have any questions, I am here for you. Okay guys? So, bye-bye. See ya.